Hello, yes. There we go. Got rid of that. What I'm working with today is Google Calendar, and I'm going to show you how to add some other calendars. I've got several listed here. I'll just bring them up. Holidays, Faces of the Moon, a sports team, and another sports team. If I want to not show these, I just click on them. The colors go away. If I wanted to show only holidays, I would click on holidays and display only this calendar. So all of the other calendars would go away. Right now I want to go to settings on other calendars. And at the bottom I have listed show all of these calendars. I'm going to unsubscribe so that I can show you how to get rid of a calendar you don't want, and then show you how to put on calendars that you do want. Okay, so I've gotten rid of those. I'm going to go back to calendar. Don't need that to be showing. So I'm going to go to this arrow and browse interesting calendars. First of all, I'm going to go find holidays in the United States. And I know what that's going to look like. So I'm going to subscribe to it. Go back to the calendar. And I've got the 4th of July, Labor Day should show up here. Okay. It's in red. If I wanted to change that, I would just click on this arrow and make it a different color. Now I go back to browse interesting calendars, and I'm going to pick a sports calendar, soccer, and I'm looking for the CONCACAF Gold Cup for the United States. I can preview that calendar to see what it looks like. It's got soccer balls. It shows a game between Haiti and the United States, and the score was 0-1, so that one has passed. The next one, last one, it looks like, is Cuba and the United States. I want to close that and go ahead and subscribe so I can have that on my calendar. Before we go back, I'm going to get one more sports calendar and soccer and go to the men's or Major League Soccer. I'm going to pick Sporting KC and subscribe to that one. Go back to the calendar, and I've got holidays. Go back to July. Holidays are showing, Sporting KC schedule is showing, and the CONCACAF is showing. I want to go back here to other calendars one more time, browse interesting calendars and go to more. And I'd like to see the phases of the moon. So I'm going to subscribe to that. Go back to the calendar, and the moon shows up here. Full moon. And there's another full moon here. So that means this is a blue moon, the second full moon in the same month. It happens approximately every year and a half. I'm going to make that a yellow event. I'm going to add a notification one day ahead of time at 8 o'clock in the morning, just to remind me that the next day is Blue Moon Day, and I'm going to celebrate. And so I'm going to save that. And that's how you work with other calendars. Now, where did this event go? July 31st. I don't see that event showed up there. So it'll be Phases of the Moon. Calendar. Let me create that event again. For some reason, it didn't save. This would be Blue Moon. It's on the 31st. And it's all day. And it's yellow. And I'm going to save it. Okay, let me go back to Blue Moon. It's on my personal calendar. That's why. So it is on my personal calendar. That's fine. I just need to show my personal calendar, and then it'll show up there. Let me get rid of a couple of these. Okay, there it is. Blue Moon Day. And that's how you work with other calendars.